Okay, so you can collapse a compound and inequality, like 5 is greater than, is less than x plus 1, and x plus 1 is less than 13 into a simpler form. You can make it as 5 is less than x plus 1 and less than, 5 is less than x plus 1 and x plus 1 is less than 13. Or you can say x plus 1 is greater than 5 and less than 13. But when you're solving it, it would still be better to break it up. To solve a compound inequality containing or, find all the values of the variable that make at least one of the inequalities true. So when we're doing or, as you can see already from the example, I have some that are not going to fit into my system, and then the blue, this will only make this inequality true, and the red, this one will only make this inequality true. So let's look at it. We have 7 plus k is less than or equal to 6, or 8 plus k is less than 3. I'm sorry, this is greater than or equal to. Please forgive me. So first I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides, and I get k is greater than or equal to 1. And here I subtracted 8 from both sides, and I got k is less than -5. And so for my -1, I have to shade it in, and I am going, if it's greater than, I'm going to the right. And for -5, it's going to be an open dot because it's not equal to, and it's less than, so it's everything going towards the left. So, or means that a solution makes either inequality true. So what is this? So let's do this on our own. I've written it up here on my whiteboard. So let's do the first one. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. And I get 7w is greater than 8. Divide both sides by 7. And I get w is greater than 8 over 7. For here I'm going to add 1 to both sides. And I get 4w is less than -12. So divide both sides by 4. I get w is less than -3. I'm going to have to erase some of this. So w is greater than 8 over 7, or w is less than -3. Now we can graph it. And I hope I wrote this problem down right. I'm going to verify that real quick. 7w plus 3 is greater than 11. Yep, I did. So I'm going to graph it. Okay, and so for w is greater than 8 over 7, I'm going to put an open. This is about right here. We'll say 8 over 7. And if it's greater than, it's going in this direction. And for the next one, w is less than, open circle 3, so everything going in this direction. Alright, so now let's do the second one. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and I get 15 is less than 5x. Divide both sides by 5, and I get 3 is less than x. Here I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides, and I get 3x is less than -3. Divide both sides by 3, and I get x is less than -1. So I have a little bit more room here, so I'm going to just graph it here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Fix my 3 a little bit better. Okay, so for the first one, x is greater than 3. So I'm going to put an open circle here, and I'm going to go this way. And x is less than -1. So just open circle this way. Notice that we have for the ors, I'm going in opposite directions. So I really hope that this helps.